Hi, this is how to output variable number of cells from PDF to Excel spreadsheet. So you can see the PDF here. You've got a column of different product IDs or product codes, for example, and on each page you've got a different number of these. So you can have any number at all. So what you want to do is output to an Excel sheet like this. So it outputs the number of cells, number of product IDs across ways. So you got AA123, BB123, and so on. And for sheet 2 there's more, so it would go further on here up to HH. And then there might be other data that you want to output at the end of each one. So you've got a variable number of cells in the Excel sheet coming out. Now to do this, you need PDF Data Extractor. You drag and drop your PDF file into the top source file and click Analyze. Now I'm going to clear this setup here because I've already set it up to run, but I'm going to restart it from scratch so you can understand how it's set up. So you add your file, click Analyze. This tells you the positions of each cell. So what I want to do is output AA123 and BB123 and so on. As you can see, the horizontal position starts at 90 or 91, roughly about the same. So what I do is right mouse on that, click Output and select Match Output Multi. So this is just a variable number of outputs. Now horizontal, you want to make sure it's in the range. So I'm going to 90 to 100. Vertical, because there's a random number of cells that will output, I'm going to do 0 to 999, and that will do the whole entire page. So that's straightforward. The output position, output order should be 1. So if I now process that, I'm going to change that report because it's currently open. Click Yes. As you can see, it's output the cells from each page exactly as I want. And one page for each line. So that's exactly what I want. But obviously there could be other data that you want to tag on the end, but you don't want it to be just in between. So to do this, you go on, say for example, other data, right mouse, output. You just do output as normal. So I'm going to do a join as space because there's more than one word. So to cover everything, I'm going to do 160 to 200, for example, and then I'm going to do 0 to 999, and that has put it in position 9 already for you. But you can change that, say, to position 11. Click Process. So now you should have all the cells, and then you got set position 11 here for the other data. So if obviously if there are more cells, and you move that on further, say position 20 for example, and that will cover all the different amount of cells. And that's how you process multiple variable number of cells to Excel. There's a free trial on our website, PDF Data Extractor version 2. Download and try it out.